What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining exactly how I took some trades today and what indicators kind of showed me where the direction of the market was going to possibly head today. And then that kind of gave me some insight and allowed me to take a better position. So I'm going to hop into my screen real quick and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I saw pre-market before the market opened, and then exactly what happened when the market was opening. So if we take a look into my screen, we can see TQQQ here obviously had an update. Now, I look at this now and I look back in the morning and I realize the indicators that showed me that TQQQ was likely to have an update or at least an up move were on the 15-minute time frame. So I want to take a look back at SQQQ, right? So SQQQ is the inverse ETF of TQQQ. And so when TQQQ goes up, SQQQ goes down. So taking a look at TQQQ, if we could take a look at the 15-minute time frame, we can see SQQQ, as soon as the market opened, had a small move to the upside, right? And with that small move, obviously on the 1-minute time frame, that move looked to be good, right? It looked to be like a nice move, something to take advantage of, something to, make some profit off of, because price was breaking above the 200 and the EMA was crossing over the 200-day moving average as well. But if we take a look at the 15-minute and we take a look at the overall trend over the past couple of days for SQQQ, we can see that the trend has been downwards. So when SQQQ shot up in the morning, I took a look at this 15-minute time frame, and you could obviously see that SQQQ was running into the underside of a downtrending 45-day EMA. So that served as a strong resistance for SQQQ. And when I saw that, I was able to take a light position on TQQQ and not so much of a position that I would be freaking out if it were to continue to sell off, but a small enough position that I knew that if TQQQ had the possibility to go up, that I could already be in somewhat of a position. So I took that position on TQQQ. Obviously, as you can see on the day, it ended up playing out well, and I'm thankful for that. But that is one lesson that I would like to pass off to you guys, and that I have personally been using more often myself, is taking a look at those larger time frames and seeing the resistance and support zones within those larger time frames to be able to kind of indicate where the market would be going for the day. So with that being said, I hope you guys learned something from that and can take something from that. When you see a stock moving in an overall direction, you're day trading and you think it's going to go up, and you see it have a rip like that right off the open, yes, it's a possibility for it to go up, but take a look at some of the larger time frames and see what that stock could possibly be running into, because that's always important to take into consideration. So with that being said, I would just like to talk about one more thing with you guys, and that is the upcoming CPI data report coming this Thursday at 8:30 a.m. It's going to be 1 hour before the market opens, and we should see a shift in the market. Now, the expectation is supposed to be between 7.8 and 7.9%, which would be a decrease from the previous 8.2% inflation report from last month. But we'll see what happens with that. The market could go either way, and obviously if it comes in lower than expected, we could see the market rise, and if it comes in hotter than expected, we could see the market continue to sell off. So we'll see what happens from there. But everyone, this is just a reminder to stay prepared for that CPI data report. And if you are currently invested, you have today, Tuesday, and you have tomorrow, Wednesday, to prepare and to have cash available on the sidelines, or however you want to manage your positions during that uncertain time of the CPI data report. So with that being said, stay tuned, guys. Appreciate you guys tuning on in for this video. If you enjoyed it, please drop a like down below. Subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment if you have any other future video requests. And hope everyone else has a green day today.